how to log in Telegram with email. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Telegram account using your email. So let's get started. First, make sure your Telegram is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. After you confirm that, open Telegram app. After you open Telegram app, simply tap on Start Messaging at the bottom. And from your, if you see your options like login with email, like this feature will only available for the limited region or country. If you find that option login with email, simply tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll have to type there your registered email address and tap on next. From there, Telegram will send you a login code to your email inbox. Simply you'll have to just check it and you'll have to just add the verification code. After the verification will complete, you will be able to log into your Telegram account using your email ID. If you not find that option, it means that that feature is not available on your country. You can, as usual, turn on your two-step verification for your mobile phone number. After you add your country or region and phone number here, you will be able to be login using your verification method like your email account. All the way you can also try it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.